we are here to explain about our project titled Carbon Purification in Europe. Industry release a large amount of smoke into the atmosphere. This smoke contains carbon particles which causes air pollution, release and environmental damages. Instead of letting this carbon harvest, our project shows how it can be captured, purified and reused in a useful ways. Now my friend will explain the working model of it.
The smoke coming from this carbon industry, it will affect the globe, affect the earth. Because of that, the industries are using this belt system. This belt system makes that from the coming smoke from the chimney pipe, in this belt system, the carbon particles get trapped and they go into that water container. They get settled into that water container. The settled carbon particles are mixed with clay or wax to make the pencil leads or carbon batteries, etc.
This has many benefits as it helps us to reduce the air pollution and make useful things out of waste and makes industries more eco-friendly.
This is being currently used somewhere?
Research is going on.
Research. So how are you trapping into that? What's the mechanism for trapping?
When black color carbon particles come up,
When it comes, then the carbon particles get here they settled. Then they
So you are using
water
a
container.
when this move, they come and settle here, later we can collect it.
Nice idea. Here you will be.
I am Akshita, my friend from grade 9. Here to tell about our topic, automatic vehicle safety smart street light. The automatic vehicle safety smart street light project aims to develop an intelligent street light that employs sensors to detect the presence of vehicles where the wheels, due to wheels, the electricity is transferred, and due to sensors, the vehicles, the lights are being glowed on this vehicles. Due to this, accidents are there is a reduction of accidents and cost efficient. There will be low cost efficiency. When it comes to the solar panel, at the daytime it will connect the industry, and at the night time it will produce the light. It is busy highways like Singapore, it is implemented in Singapore, India, Norway, and famous cities like in our India, Jaipur, the big city, it is a very smart city where you can enhance that smart street are like so beautifully, and it is when vehicles are moving, it detects the presence of the vehicle, and the sensor will get on and off when it is necessary, and the microcontroller sends signal to the LED energy efficient steady state light, which will blow lights and detect the presence of the vehicle, and when it is moving away, the sensors will stop working, and after moving away, it will also give a radiation, and it will also collect radiation from the sun at daytime, and it will flow in night time. That is screen. You can see that if we close our eyes, you can see the light. Yes. So it will collect energy from sun in daytime, and it will close at night.
So what is this very time trends? There will be a window.
This bit. So these are the sensors.
The vehicle is switching on when you are the sensors are working and the vehicles are passing. Remaining time,
Remaining time, it will detect the presence of the vehicle when it is moving, and after moving, it will stop going. That will detect human presence and
Working model of energy efficient smart city.
Hospital we have highlight solar panel so that it can save electricity and it can convert solar energy to. In future we will have EV car so that it can, when it comes to a platform it can automatically charge.
Without using wires, it's a charging plant. And we have the smart dustbin. When the dustbin gets completely filled, there will be a beep sound, which indicates that it has completely filled. And in highways, we will be having a vertical wind, which from the speed of car or
when the car senses, it starts moving, and even with the wind it starts moving, it gets converted into electrical energy. And we have solar lighting. In normal solar, it will be in rest position, it will not move. But in solar lighting, when the sun moves, it also changes its position.
It is adjusting its position according to sun's position. So this one is it? How is it different from our regular windmill?
Windmills are very large to generate more electricity. But in highways, we can't ship that much large one to, so we have used this.
Just because of wind segment, this can still go past. Because there is French created it like a tree. So instead of these, they have put a French segment which rotates. That technology has they have created on highway small tree structure in which all these turners are kept up. So whole day they will move and whole tree looks aesthetic because it looks appears like a tree. Because they are all green in color and also generating energy. I like it. Very nice.
I did not I was grade 9. I'm here to demonstrate a problem on Facebook. So, I am Saneha Aira. It is a microscope and it is a microscope. In that, it is made with limited set of water and it is very eco-friendly. Instead of in government, we don't have the facility of buying high-cost microscope. So we need eco-friendly and low-cost material microscope. So passing classification of convex lensers, it passes through specimen and convex lensers. Then the object is formed, and we can see it clearly. It passes the light and the image will be formed. In those convex lens, we can't see the image clearly. We can only see a black color screen. No, ma'am, that's a yes, we can try it.
Just of the different cables nearby and low cost. Just like that.
So, we create some product.
Next I would like
Yes, ma'am.
Last time, here to present our project, art-based management system. Here using STEM skills, which science, technology, innovation, and mathematics, which helps to solve real-life impact problems.
Waste management is a big problem that is made because there's the our project uses technology to make waste collection smart and easy. There are 4 dustbins. The dustbin uses ultrasonic sensor. When the dustbin is full, it automatically sends a message to the authority
And also sends messages to the authorities mobile. That dustbin hole is full, then the authorities come and connect the dustbin. Then it is sent to the wet and dry place report. When wet waste is converted into manure and is used for farming and farming. Dry waste is sent to recycling units and is used for making roads and also generate electricity.
benefits of this project are clean environment, reduce pollution, and eco-friendly for farmers.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Mr. Areta here to explain you about our topic, Smart Agriculture Farm. As you can see, this is farm security. Whenever someone tries to enter the farm, this can alert the farmer, by which the farmer can get alerted. This is scary, which says always all the birds who try to enter the farm and keep away from having the crop.
The fields are kept safely and we can control it temperature into this is control. shows the temperature, humidity, and voltage.
Then I discovered the heat chamber by using it and it gets protected and the sheets are protected with this. Whenever sun arrives, the sample consists and open the chamber so that the heat can get the proper sunlight. And this is the animal house where animals can rest and farm and water can come in. Which is connected. The solar energy is connected to the electrical energy and the light is generated. This is how.
I am Nishika.
And I am Priyanka.
We are here to present the automatically working operating fan.
So in many public areas, especially in and offices, the fans are left and on. So these leads to wastage of electricity. And to overcome this problem, this automatic fan has been designed.
The main aim of the project is to design an automatically working fan that uses PIR sensor that detects the human presence. So in this way, the fan automatically switches on and off due to human presence. This works on the principle of infrared radiation detection, where the heat energy released by us is detected by the PIR sensor.
So the main component is the PIR sensor. So this detects the infrared energy that is emitted by the human body. As it detects, it sends a signal to a circuit. The circuit automatically turns on the fan. And when there is no human presence, it automatically turns the fan off.
There are several advantages of using this fan that can act better than a normal fan, such as it is cost effective, it saves electrical energy, it reduces human effort, especially for the elderly people who find it difficult to reach the switchboard. It is beneficial for children as it is based on automatic operation. And overall, using this fan promotes the smart use of technology and it promotes environment.
So and lastly, we can conclude that to overcome the problem of wastage of electricity, we can use this automatic fan.
So in future, this system can be upgraded by having a temperature control using IoT remote controlling, and this concept can be extended in many of the electrical appliances. Thank you.
We are here to present our project Girl Safety Audit. So basically, women safety is a major concern worldwide. With the help of this device, the aim of this device is to provide more girls different and easy access to this device that can send alert messages immediately to the victim to notify and emergency contact immediately.
So basically, it works by step and the alert sending alert. Suppose that I am it turns on the electrical light and triggers the
So I have to register a member of my family member so they get that I am in kind of situation, right?
At least anyone
So 10 members will automatically get my message as well as call.
activity makes it easy to use, which we just remove the and the application of this includes users can use this and even people can use the device so that
What would be the average size of the Okay, I can wear an wrist or so that it's easy for me to press a button. So that the person who gets a message that I'm in danger also gets to know location where I'm standing. So the person, my family member can immediately reach the area. And I hope this project works out and you get a smaller version, mobile, so then you can all get.
what exhibition like science exhibition we have gone through, it is very good that kids are very creative. Like, they use also all the new AI technology they can also use in their project. But right now whatever they have prepared is very good, very excellent, and I feel like in the future they will come with the flying colors.
You want to say something?
Project is new for the students. Should every 3 months, 4 months, develop this project helpful for parents also and kids also. Thank you.
ನಡೆಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಗಳು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಹಲವಾರು ಉಪಕರಣಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಈ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯದ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯವನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಗುರುಗಳಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿವರೆಗೂ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರಮವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Children explained it very well and totally it was very good. Thank you. लेडीज के बारे में अच्छा लगा मेरे को, क्योंकि उसमें प्रोडक्ट करने का मतलब सिर्फ में कुछ भी हेल्थ के लिए था ना, हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगा. और वो वाला एनिमल्स के लिए वो वाला भी बहुत अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि पानी वेस्ट नहीं होना, हर चीज वेस्ट नहीं होना, मतलब कुछ भी वेस्ट नहीं होना, तो पानी वो ये सब मतलब अच्छा यूज करे वो लोग, वो अच्छा. थैंक यू.